If a picture's worth 1,000 words, what's reality worth? At Worldscape Incorporated and Worldscape Defense Company, we're finding out using our groundbreaking Scene Server technology. Our revolutionary Camera Ray product offers high-resolution, full-color 30 frames per second combined output capability across a fully integrated tethered array, enabling the scaling of imagers to a magnitude never before realized for a vast array of applications from special effects shots to fully immersive training. Using our patented and proprietary algorithms, we take data captured from these large arrays and deliver it in high-resolution, seamless stereo views to enable fully immersive mission rehearsal, maintenance and repair, and medical training. Military readiness has never been so critical. Soldiers must make life and death decisions sometimes in a matter of seconds. In this rules of engagement scenario, the trainee has his own unique view of this real-world environment. He is confronted with a realistic situation that requires real-time decision-making. Using Worldscape's advanced technology, soldiers can hone their mission and communication skills within a safe, photorealistic, and repeatable framework.
Checkpoint 1, I have a red vehicle going northbound.
Notice here how the trainee stands to see over the checkpoint barricades. Camera Ray cameras capture full-motion video, as seen here on each simulated camera lens. The camera tethers permit highly flexible configurations, tailorable to meet production goals within a wide range of environments. With its variable density of cameras, Camera Ray enables producers to configure the ideal number and placement of cameras to match particular training or environmental requirements. In essence, users, like trainees, look through the camera arrays as if they were looking through a pane of glass into the subject environment.
Let me see your hands! Don't move! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
In this law enforcement training scenario, the trainee failed to notice the assailant behind the white outside door. This trainee could have responded more effectively in this life and death scenario.
Remove the hydraulic pump from the AGT 1500 engine. Remove the mounting bolts.
Scene Server will revolutionize maintenance and repair training. Here, a trainee can look over the shoulder of an expert repairing a $400,000 tank engine. Worldscape's technology will facilitate shorter training cycles, require less personnel travel, significantly lower capital equipment costs, and enable training in remote locations.
Be careful setting the shaft in so she sets down flush, and then turn it off to the side, back clockwise, and install your nuts.
The cost savings and training efficiencies gained apply outside the military sector, for example in airline, automotive, rail, and construction industries. Worldscape's PANES demo will allow users to look through a computer monitor as if it were a pane of glass into the environment. Scene Server offers users a window into a vast array of real-world environments. With military training as its initial target market, Worldscape is also pursuing applications for commercial training, entertainment, and education markets. With its combination of patented and proprietary technology and commercially available off-the-shelf components, Worldscape's Scene Server system will revolutionize the delivery of real-world content across a wide range of applications. Worldscape, dedicated to delivering unsurpassed reality.